Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize Nvidia control panel settings for gaming. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. And first of all, make sure you have the latest drivers from your graphics card, because we're going to change the settings from Nvidia control panel as the title says. So make sure you have the latest drivers, and after that right click and go to Nvidia control panel. And once you're here, you will need to go to adjust image settings with preview, and by default it's going to be the second setting and it's going to be set at quality. We need to change that. We will change it. Select the third option, use my preference emphasizing, and change from quality to performance. You may see that it will look bad, but if you want both of these settings, change that to balanced. But for this video, we're going to change it to performance. And after that, click apply. And we will select again the second setting, use the advanced 3D image settings, click that again and click again apply. And after that we will go to manage 3D settings up here, and you will see that most of the settings are off because we changed the setting to performance. If you choose it to balanced, I do not know what's going to be on or off here, but you can try it for yourself. And here we will change a bit more settings. We're not done yet. And here in the CUDA-GPUs, make sure you choose your most powerful graphics card. Nvidia control panel lags a lot. I do not know why. If you have multiple graphics cards, make sure you choose your most powerful one. And after that, click OK. And we will change the other setting, maximum pre-rendered frames. Change that from use the 3D application setting and change it to 1. If you have an older PC like more than 3 years old, change it to 3 or 4. But for this video, we will change it to 1. And now scroll down to where it says power management mode and change that from optimal to prefer. It lags a lot. Change it to prefer maximum performance, so it gives the maximum performance possible. And bear in mind, this won't your PC won't have the same settings as mine. If you have an older graphics card, it will show less settings. But I have a pretty mid-range graphics card and it has these settings. If you have like an RTX 2080 Ti, it will show more settings. So if you don't find the setting right here, or I have missed a setting, I'm sorry, but I does not have it in here. So now go to where it says threaded optimization, change that from auto and change it to on. And we are done here. Once you have changed all the settings, click apply, and we will change one more setting in the video section in the left hand side where it says adjust video color settings. Click that. It's lagging a lot. I have no clue why. I'm pretty sure it's the same with your computer. By default it's going to be like that with the video player settings. Change that with the Nvidia settings and go to the third tab, advanced, and by default the dynamic range is going to be limited to 16 to 35. Change that to full. And after that, click apply, and we're done. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.